In this video, I'll show you how to add money to Venmo. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, on your mobile device, open the Venmo app and log in using your credentials. Alright, and after doing so, we will go here. At this time, only Venmo users, okay, who have been approved for a Venmo MasterCard or debit card have the option to add money from a verified bank account or a linked debit card directly to their Venmo balance. And if you haven't already, just add a bank or link a debit card to your Venmo profile. So in your mobile device, if you haven't done so, do it now. All right, add a bank or link a debit card. And say you have a Venmo debit card, how you can add money to your Venmo balance. Simply, on your app, go to the Me tab and tap Manage Balance in the Wallet section. Then, of course, you need to follow these steps to initiate your transfer. First, yes, you're gonna need to select Add Money. Select from the bank that you have linked or the debit card, right? And obviously, you need to enter your amount and choose what funding source you want to use. Tap Add. And once you do this, there is no way to cancel your transfer, so you have to be very careful, alright? Remember, you don't need to have money in your Venmo account to make payments to other Venmo users. You can fund payments to other Venmo users using a linked funding source. Additionally, Venmo users who have completed the required identity verification by applying for the Venmo debit card or setting up direct deposit may be eligible to use the Cash a Check service within the app. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.